Hello everyone. Today I will explain how to transfer money from Zip to bank account. The Zip balance or virtual card works like a regular debit or credit card, but only for buying things online. You can use it on websites such as Amazon, eBay, or any online store that accepts card payments. To use your Zip balance, go to the website where you want to shop. Add the items you want to buy to your cart. At the checkout, select debit or credit card as your payment method. Then enter your Zip virtual card details or your Zip balance information. Complete the purchase as usual. If you want to get cash from your Zip balance, one method is to buy a product that you can sell afterward. For example, you can buy an item you need or that has resale value, and then sell it to get cash. This way, you can convert your Zip balance into money you can use outside of online shopping. Always make sure to follow the rules of the store and Zip. Do not try to bypass their terms because this can cause issues with your account. Thanks for watching.